Hello, Holy Ones. Hello, hello. Thank you. Thank you for your love and your support and your protection, your prayers. Thank you. We just went through the night time. We're just getting up in the morning, getting out and checking everything. We had the hurricane, I believe her name was Helene, came through. And by the time she did make landfall, she was, just to the east. Her eye was just to the east, of where I live. So we're very grateful. And we send out love and blessings and support and prayers for all those who may have experienced this in a bit of a different way. We trust that all is unfolding in a divine type of alignment, meaning everything is energy. Everything is energy. And all of these spaces are, variation points of that creation being, reflected back, if you will. So we are grateful. We are very, very, very grateful. I just did my makeup this morning. You see this little bit right here? And I don't have power. I have power in my home. We lost power, but we have a generator. So we have a generator running our house. And so we're pretty good. We're very blessed. We have air conditioning, refrigerators are going. There's just certain things we don't use. But apparently a light bulb in the bathroom was one of them. No. Making light, just offering a bit of a smile now and then, all right? So in the night, the storm passed through in the middle of the night, right? And I can remember once or twice, the wind, pushing on the home and pulling on the home and feeling like a little bit of fear, because it sounds so big, it sounds so scary, right? And just taking a nice deep breath in is what I did. And in the exhale of my breath, I was reminding myself, of who I am energetically, and who is with me, in me and around me. And that was very helpful. So that might be something that you have done when you have navigated a space that felt a little uncomfortable, or maybe a lot uncomfortable. So we send out huge waves of love to all, because there may be some that did not weather the storm the way that we did, based upon where they were at or whatever's going on in their flow, their life. And we send out love and compassion to all. The animals, the earth itself. We had some trees break, a small oak in our backyard. Part of it broke, so we're going to do our best to nurture her as she heals and remains strong, missing that particular space of herself. But right now I'm over here in my home. I've been living in the main house on the property with my older daughter for about 2 years. We've been living there together with her husband and my husband, and we've been very grateful to have found a space that was so perfect for us to be able to do what we were wanting to do. And that was, my children were wanting to build homes on the same land as my husband and I, that we would all live together in the same area. So here we are. Yes. I am standing in my sanctuary. And one of my most favorite things about the sanctuary are these incredibly beautiful windows that we had them put in for the sanctuary space. And so if you hear the echo, there's an echo. There's nothing in this space yet. I'm going to be maybe moving in this weekend. But outside of this window that I'm standing in front of, as I turn around, you'll be able to see this really beautiful oak tree. And I am very grateful for this oak tree to be here strong and safe this morning. I prayed over her and placed a beautiful golden dome of light, an Acasma golden dome of light. That's what the energy work I do is called, Acasma quantum energy, Acasma consciousness. So I placed Acasma golden domes of light all over my personal spaces. And I talked to my son-in-law, who's built his house as well, and it's done as well. And he said he was a little nervous of the trees, you know, and he wanted to know his house was safe. And I said, well, you own the home, and you are the man of the house, so to speak, yes? Use your authority and place the Acasma golden dome of light over your home. And we had a lovely conversation about it, and he did as well as I did, and we, yes, protected our spaces. So there are a few branches. Let's see if you can see this. There's a few branches she lost on the ground there underneath her, but she did really, really well. She did really, really well. So I'm very, very grateful. Everybody's been checking in on me from the Goddess Course chat space, the Acasma Connections chat space on Discord, the Eternal Light Within, Acasma Pods of Light chat space, the Sacred Joy, hello, yes, chat space, and the Beacons of Love chat space. We have lots of chat spaces available on Discord, depending upon what group you're in, what course you're in, what space you're in, and some of you are in many. But let me tell you something, holy ones. Yes, yes, the love, the love, and the support, yes, was so beautiful. Thank you. You are higher dimensional beings of light. You write not from fear. No one's words were fearful. No one's words were aligning, engaging, activating, connecting, seeing from, holding the vantage point or the interpretation of what could go wrong. Not at all. I smile with the deepest amount of love, gratitude, and humble pride that you are this space as well. Yes, higher human. You know how to use your words. And you know how to use your intention. Yes, you know how to use, yes, your interpretation. And none of you shed any type of fearful, negative prayer blessing. You know, you can tell where it's coming from. You can tell the energy that is speaking the blessing. You can tell the belief structure of the one who is creating the blessing. And I'm not judging those who are still functioning in fear, but I am acknowledging those who have found the way in which they are able to, yes, speak and intend, pray, yes, bless from the spaces of their higher mind and their higher heart. All right, holy ones, I just wanted to get on here the morning after the storm and give you the update and thank you again and again and again for your love, We are blessed beyond measure by our beautiful Acasma family of light. We are blessed beyond measure, Holy One. And I am grateful. And I am honored to be, yes, this space with you. To be this space with you. Yane, 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 yaka, oh, 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 aye. Yana se, tabu, aye. Yasane, yaka, oh, oh, Yasane, yaka, oh, oh, Dea, 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 tabuko ane, tabuko ane, tabuko ane, yana seya, kaua. Hey, take a deep breath, Holy One. Take a deep breath. Yasane. Let us send out our gratitude. Waves and waves of I am grateful. Send it with me now, please. Breathe. I am grateful. I am grateful. I am grateful. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you for being this space with me, Holy One. Thank you for being the Acasma family of light. I hope to see you in our beautiful Acasma Planet of Light and Healing Grid tomorrow, Saturday, the last Saturday of our glorious September 2024, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Zoom links will be available in all of the chat spaces and on Patreon. If you're not already on my Patreon platform, please consider joining us there. There is free membership and there are paid levels, and I do my best to offer lots of wonderful, services and offerings there for those who feel to connect that way. And the Acasma Grid link, Zoom link, is also emailed to all those who are in the members base for the Acasma Grid. If you're not already in the members base for our free community, Acasma Grid of Light, you can go onto the website, sacredexpansion.com, and there's a button to join the community. All right, you click it and I will get you the information. But when you receive your email from my website, we sent it out this morning. It should be already there waiting for you, most likely in your inbox. There is something that happens with the Squarespace website platform I use. It's a fantastic platform. I love it, love it, love it. But for whatever reason, many times, emails sent from me to you from my website, whether you bought a product, a service, or I'm sending you a Zoom link for the grid, many times the email goes to one of your file folders. So like your spam or your promotions or your important, there's all different names depending upon the emailing platform you're using. So please, 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 please check all of your email boxes, all right? If you're in the Acasma Planet of Light and Healing Grid and you are looking for your Zoom link and you're not already in one of the chats that I mentioned where the Zoom links will be, and you're not on my Patreon that I already mentioned where the Zoom link will be, you need to check all your inboxes, okay? Just check them all. And what happens is eventually, because you do find the link, you find the email, after a few times of finding it in whatever file it's going to, it'll start going to your main file, your main receiving inbox. So keep that in mind, check it all out, and if you're not already a part of the Acasma Planet of Light and Healing Grid, maybe this is your sign Go to sacredexpansion.com and please consider joining our free community. We are here to be light. We are here to connect in with the remembrance of ourselves that we understand as Acasma consciousness. I wrote a book about it. I teach courses on it. A lot of my free content on YouTube is about it. There's nothing that I do that is not infused with Acasma quantum energy. There's nothing that I do that is not infused with Acasma quantum energy. If you resonate with my energy, if you resonate with my teachings, if you resonate with this space, that's what you're resonating with. You're resonating with Acasma. It's a higher vibrational, higher dimensional space of ourselves. Yes! And we, yes, in our now human form, have moved into a vibrational alignment of ourselves in which we can engage this higher space of us and anchor it in, ground it in, and be it. Be it. Yes! That's the new human. That's the new human. That's the new earth. So it's an ascension modality, it's a healing modality, it's a remembrance modality, it's an activation modality, and it is, yes, 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 the alignment of love. Absolute, unconditional love. That's what it is. If that resonates for you, and you're already here, in this family, in this connection, thank you. And if that resonates for you and you just found this space, go find the button, sacredexpansion.com, and join us. I am going to sit here in my living room, in my new home that I will hopefully move into this weekend. And I am going to enjoy the space. I'm going to enjoy the space. Would you like to sit next to me on my couch? Let's do that. Thank you for sitting next to me in my living room. You're my first guest. No one's been here yet but us. Thank you. Thank you for coming. I love you. I love you. I love you.